How to sign up to Telesign. So if you want to sign up to Telesign, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Telesign. And here you will have www.telesign.com. Click on that. And now here you will have login option on the upper right. Click on that login. And then you can choose your enterprise or standard, any one of that. And now it will take you to the login page, but to create your account you can simply click on sign up, and from here you can create your free account. So to create your account, first you need to enter your first and last name, and then your company name, and then your email address here on this blank. And here you have to enter a password. So the password must include an uppercase letter, must include a lowercase, and must have length between 8 and 32 characters. And it should include a special number. So enter a strong password, and after entering that, click on I agree to the privacy notice and terms and service, and then click on get started. And now an email has been sent to the email address that you have just entered, and here you will have the mail, right? Simply click on that mail and scroll down, and here you will have verify email address. Click on verify email address, and now to verify you have to select your country code, or you can select your country, and then you have to enter your phone number, and then click on send my code to Telesign. Click on that, and now you will get a code to your mobile number which you have just entered. So simply enter that code here, or if you didn't receive a code, then you can click on didn't receive a code, and then you can again receive it. And after entering the code, you can enter that code and click on verify code, and your account will be created. So that's it. It might take some time to get the code, and after that your account will be created and you can use your Telesign account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.